fuck
Say something to the camera, nigga.
Wait, what's the one video where it's the kid and he's like, have you ever had a dream where you where you the one like YouTube poop video?
You talking about YouTube poop?
Yeah.
Have
bro.
you ever had a dream when you
as usual? I see. You know what I'm talking about?
Nah, gang. I don't know what you're talking about.
Fingers. Where's Chief Keef, bro?
Right here.
That's not him. There's a little birdie. Oh, there's two birds.
Two.
Breaking two beds.
Wow.
That's a nice stick.
Wait, hold this. Let me get this. Hold this.
That's a better stick, Avi, honestly. Get that one, bro.
No, don't get that one for Hannah.
What are you doing?
Stop shining, man.
You put it as just cut Hannah off a piece of the thing.
You know what you know about this? I'm trying to fuck group.
Fucking fingers. Really? I said cut like Hannah a piece off of the stick and you threw it.
Does she need a small one or a big one?
Small one.
Which is a big dog?
Hand. Come here. Come.
She don't want a puppy.
What the fuck is Hannah, you want a stick?
She better devour my down.
Oh, you got a stick.
Oh,
Oh,
she
it's in your mouth. It's in your mouth.
She loves these.
She don't want it.
She wants
She
steak.
don't want you no more.
What the fuck, Hannah? Damn.
It looks like we're in a fork in a road.
Fork.
It's called a fork, but it's not shaped like a fork.
Fork.
Pitchfork?
Fork like food.
Pitchfork?
Yeah, fork like food. Well, actually, no. Pitchfork isn't that much different either.
My niggas over here, you know what I'm talking about? Ooh, scary nigga. This is so, wow. If I drop my phone here, gang, it's over. Hi, Hannah. Hannah. Oh, Hannah. I know.
Go get it. Go look at the view.
You're right.
Do it.
This shit deep though.
Bro, what if I just smack that shit out of your head?
Oh, God, I'd be mad as hell.
Oh, there's mad holes in here, bro.
Right? That's what I'm saying.
Got like 3.
I stuck it in every single one.
Well, if you're gonna count every single, well, there's like 1,
Dude,
2, 3,
5,
4,
yeah,
5,
that's
6,
what I'm saying.
7, 8, 9.
Don't do it.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh shit.
You just started walking in a fucking circle.
Stay. Okay, we did it.
Yes, nigga. Out nature and shit. Wait, time out. Out nature and shit. But
That's too big. She can't handle that.
she can get that.
Room for one more?
Jesus Christ. Oh, she can't eat it. Yeah, okay.
Hand.
To punch me in the face, and I was gonna die.
Oh, that's a good stick. That's a good stick.
OG stick now. She went back to the OG stick. Yeah, blue. No, it's what? Wait, Esmeralda, what's this? Bingo.
That's a pin.
What do you
right?
mean? Do you watch Bluey? I thought you.
Oh, that's a ring, dude.
Yeah.
Nigga, there's a hole at the end of it, bro. How's it
Kiss
not a
my
ring?
Super Bowl ring, bro. Like shit. I'm taking this for.
You gonna get 10 in this game?
Wait, how do you get what is the tetanus from?
Like a rusty nail.
Isn't it from like some weird chemical? Because I know it's not from rust. Because I remember someone telling me
shit.
like,
Actually, did you know that tetanus isn't actually from rust? It's actually from something else. It's technically a poison.
Guys, it's not really funny. I don't think we should make fun of people.
what?
I don't think we should make fun of people, guys. I don't think that's really funny.
You ragged.
doggies.
Doggies.
Dude, that probably cost him a fortune to fucking bury him.
You better at least give me 50 big ones, dude.
Hey, Christian.
What?
It's actually really insensitive, and I don't appreciate you joking about that. What the heck, dude?
What?
You're not too smart.
Take the meat fridge.
Meat fridge.
Can you hear?
What?
Can you hear her?
I can kind of hear her. She's like speaking.
Yeah, she's speaking like English, bro.
She don't speak fucking English. God, what's wrong with you?
Whatever.
God, what's wrong with you?
Even though I'm clearly
What the
the expert.
Dude, what the hell?
君は実にバカだな。